get back to the iPhone.
Add to favorites. Button.
Okay.
Nearest favorite. Via Deloro 1-15.
Okay, it said nearest favorite Via Deloro, which is Golden Street 1 to 15, and it
6
says
meters at 8 o'clock.
6 meters at 8 o'clock. In this case,
Direction of movement unavailable.
unavailable means that I'm not moving actually, or at least that the GPS system is not detecting any movement for so I'm in a fixed point for the GPS system. This means that the
6 meters at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock refers to the direction of the device, to the orientation of the device, and so 9 o'clock should be to the left of the device. Well, let's try this. I'm just rotating
6 meters
the
at
device.
11 o'clock.
Okay, now it is at 11 o'clock. Let's try again. Let's rotate again.
6 meters at 12 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, this means that my device is pointed towards the point, towards the favorite. So if I'm on a street, I stop, and I can use this function to detect the position of a certain favorite. Okay. Of course, this function rely on the compass, so you should be aware of the magnetic errors due to magnetic fields and so on. So you should be reasonably certain
6 meters at 9 o'clock.
that your compass is working properly. In this case, my compass
Direction 54 degrees northeast.
is saying that my device is pointed to 54 degrees northeast, which is quite accurate actually, even if I'm in a point where there are lots of magnetic fields.
Home. Page 2 of 4. ITs. Page 1 of 4. Settings.
We can find the settings of the Ariadne GPS app by going into the main settings app. Okay.
Settings. Airplane mode. Off.
Okay.
Rows 9 to 18 of 40. Rows 18 to 27 of 40. Ariadne GPS test.
Okay.
Ariadne monitor. City. On.
Okay, these are the information that you want to be told when you are in monitoring, when you are using the monitoring function. So when you're moving, I just chose city,
street number,
a street number, but you can also choose
zip code, area, state, country, off.
Okay.
Query interval 10 seconds button.
Okay, this is how frequently you want to be updated when you're moving.
Maps service status, both screen and voice, button.
Okay, this is just an information if you want to be alerted if the server, the remote server, is responding or not, if you have various options for this.
Favorites manager, voice alert for favorite, on.
Okay, I was telling before that when you're moving, you can be alerted if you reach a certain favorite. You can be alerted by voice.
Vibration for favorite.
By vibration.
Sound for favorite. Comedy whistle. Button.
By a certain sound.
Distance for alert. 490 feet 150 meters. Button.
Okay, you can choose the distance. You have various distance for the alert. When you this is the radius of the area you must be within in order to be alerted.
Alert frequency 5 seconds button.
Okay, this means how frequently you would like to be alerted.
Alert repeats 3 times button.
Okay, how many times you want to be alerted.
Point to favorite sound button.
Okay, this is the function I was using before when turning my device when rotating it, and when I point to a certain favorite, what must the device do? It may play a sound, it may vibrate, or both.
Clock directions. On.
Clock direction is when the app gives you information about the about a certain position for a favorite. It can give you that information by using the angle, so it can say it is 30 degrees to your right, for instance, or
New notification from mail.
sorry,
Clock directions. On.
or it can say it is at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever. Okay.
Map. Heading. Rotating map. Off.
Rotating map is the same function you have in the Apple map function. It uses the compass and will keep the map orientated like the terrain. So when you when you rotate your device, the map will stay will rotate accordingly. So actually will remain like the terrain.
Advanced exploration. Off.
Advanced exploration. What does it mean? When you are exploring the map, advanced exploration, if it is on, the map will only tell information about the streets you're touching if you are actually touching a street. If you're out, if you're touching a building or a park or whatever, the map won't tell information about, will not tell information about the street. You must be touching a street. This should help you follow the streets, but it is a more difficult way of exploring the map. Okay,
Vibrate on street.
Vibrate
Off.
on street. This only works for iPhone because iPad hasn't got any vibration system.
iOS device. Heading. Screen lock. Off.
Screen lock means that if you want the screen to lock when you're using the Ariadne GPS app, you can allow the screen lock, but in that case you won't be alerted with voiceover, but just with the sound. It's up to you. When you reach a favorite, I mean.
Sounds. On.
Okay, sounds on means that the app can play various kind of sounds, such as in the map or when you're pointing something, some favorite, etc. Sounds, I guess it should be on because many of you
Units. Heading.
needs it.
Imperial units.
Okay.
Off.
Imperial units is you can change between meters and kilometers and feet and miles.
Ariadne GPS test. List. You are about 6 meters from Via Deloro 1-5. Start monitoring. Button.
Okay.
You are about 6 meters from Via Deloro 1-15 at 10 o'clock. You are about 6 meters from Via Deloro 1-15 at 10 o'clock.
Okay, you just heard the alert from about the next favorite, the closest favorite actually, at 10 o'clock. Okay, you can have information about the position, and so you can use the pointing function for a favorite, not only in the main screen for the tracked favorite or for the nearest favorite, but for any favorite you would like to
List of favorites.
to
Via
know
Rialto 13. Via Rialto 13. 341 meters at 11 o'clock.
For any favorite you would like to know the position. So I choose this favorite. I go into the details.
Favorite details. List of favorites. Back
Okay,
button.
let's
Favorite
see.
option. Not tracked. Description of Via Rialto 13. 341 meters at 11 o'clock.
At 11 o'clock. So I just turn my device trying to point to 11 o'clock. Okay, now it says
341 meters at 12 o'clock.
12 because I'm almost pointing the favorite. Okay. So my favorite is in that direction, and it's quite accurate, that direction in this case. Okay.
List of favorites. Back.
Thank you for listening to
List of done. Button.
this long, very long podcast.
Where am I? Button.
I'm sorry about my English. I tried my best, actually. I hope I've explained almost all the features of this app. If you have any question, you can write me at info@ariadnegps.eu, or you can go on the website at www.ariadnegps.eu, ARIADNE GPS.eu, and you can find some more information, or you can also ask question. But if you're watching this video, you've probably already visited the website. So thank you very much. Bye.